Hello guys, welcome to my new video. On this video I'll be making the unboxing of Mi TV 4X 65 inches. I was planning to buy this TV since its launch, that is the 65 inches launch, but since then it got out of stock, and after a very long time, like almost like 15 to 20 days gap, the stock was back again, and I just pre-ordered it in FlipKart. So it reached me by October 22nd. The tentative release was 21st October, and also I inquired from Mi showroom, and even they had the opportunity to give this TV before its launch, I mean the 21st of October. But since in the showroom they told the delivery will be from your end, so and they won't be delivering, and if they want to deliver, it will be costing around 300, and since it's a huge TV, I can't able to take this in my car also, so I just ordered it in FlipKart, and it delivered it smoothly. And after it got delivered, within 2 hours the installation guy came and then installed the TV. We got some few things inside the box, and this was the small user manual. Only few basic details are present in this manual. We didn't get a bunch of papers like a booklet. Here is a new remote. In this remote we got the Netflix and Prime Video, Amazon Prime Video buttons added to that previous version. And also there are some screws over there. This is used for mounting the TV on the stand to keep it on the table. And guys, these are the two accessories present in the box, and let's explore more inside the box to find out more accessories. I have just taken this mammoth TV out of the box. I can't able to show you that because the technician has already removed that out of the box. There are a lot of thermocols present in the box, and also a huge bubble trap to protect the TV from all those vibrations. So I'll give a full mark for the package because this is coming from very far, and it has been transported in a very safe manner. I'll be giving a full marks for the transportation and packing. And there you go, you can see that TV stand present inside the box, and I'm trying to reach inside that box, but I can't able to reach it easily, that much easily. Yeah, there I go, and I'm taking it out. And here are the total accessories present in the box. There are two stands for mounting the TV, and then a remote control, Bluetooth remote control, some screws, and that manual book. So this acts as a warranty card as well. And here comes the new 65 inches mammoth MI LED TV. So look at that size, you'll be amazed.
See size comparison, it's not coming inside the frame. Just install it by using the technician. It's ready. Just turn the wide angle camera. I can notice how big the screen is. Hello guys, welcome to my new video. இப்போ ஒரு seafood festival வந்திருக்கேன்.
And the user interface in this TV is very speed when compared to that U TV, I mean that VU TV, and also the clarity is awesome. You will be seeing a reality feel while watching the HD quality, I mean 4K, 8K quality videos. You can see that absolutely fantastic lively video in this TV, in this mammoth display. And also I have purchased the Mi soundbar system along with this TV. The sound is really absolutely fantastic. I would say actually I have connected it via Bluetooth. Even in the Bluetooth connectivity, the sound is absolutely perfect, crystal clear. The bass is amazing, and I would recommend you to connect it with a digital optic fiber, and this will enhance the sound quality several times. And just try it out with that digital optic cable. And this is the manual which comes in the box along with this TV, and you can see the installation instructions and also the TV interface. I mean the ports which is present back of the TV, back and side of the TV. So I felt very difficult to access the ports which is present in the bottom, since the TV is wall mounted very close to the wall. It is very difficult to access the ports in the side. Even in the sides it is difficult, but not as much when compared to the bottom ports. Since it is a very much big mammoth TV, I understand that all the center hub will be placed in the middle of the TV, and at least MI engineers could have worked on the ports aspect, whether the user will able to reach it or not. At least they could have thought like that, and then they could have designed it in such a manner that the ports can be reached easily, but MI engineers has failed to do that. Actually, what difficulty I have faced in the sports aspect is that I wanted to connect my set-top box video and audio cables to the TV, and these ports are present in the back side facing downwards. So I felt very much difficulty in reaching those ports. So what I did is I made use of my friend, and I unmounted the TV from the wall. After that, I connected the cable, then I mounted it back. So lot of difficulties I have faced in connecting a simple cable to the TV. Here is my old 42 inches LCD TV which I purchased way back in 2010, and there's one small TV 21 inches. Here you can see the size variation. You can see that massive TV. Here are some samples for you, but with this sample you can't able to decide whether to buy or not, but I would recommend you to buy because it is absolutely fantastic. I have seen few movies in this TV for last 2 days. It was absolutely fantastic. The display quality is perfect in all aspect. You can see a very much reality picture in the TV. And thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, just hit that like button. I would request you only that. Okay, bye bye, see you in my next video.